Patio house by Renata Barbugli in Quinta das Laranjeiras, Brazil. A house made for a family that likes receiving and celebrating. Therefore, it was designed around the practice of coexistence, while still ensuring the privacy of the most intimate areas. A modernist house, with straight lines and the freedom to design cleaner spaces, combining coziness with functionality. With the social area around a central patio, the house brings a clean look to the volumetry, neutral shades, and cement coating. The use of wood and natural stones brings coziness and comfort, so necessary for the art of receiving. At the beginning of the project, we kept in mind the characteristics of the land and the idea of ensuring comfortable lighting throughout the day. Shared areas with balconies also provide thermal comfort. The wide facade makes good use of the land topography, presenting a balance that brings up the house from the ground, creating lightness to the volumetry. A corten steel breeze filters the morning sun and creates more privacy for the TV room. One of the main requests was creating a very functional shared area, facing the garden, to receive friends and family. Plus, a full gourmet area, swimming pool, and sauna. A very large kitchen island, where friends can come and stay. We designed and monitored the whole process, from the conception of the project until the end of the work, ensuring full compliance.